Most of old vehicles are with filament lights. Sometimes those are used for small lighting requirements as well. But the battery consumption is too high. This brake light of my vehicle is also with 4 filament lights. I noted that some plastic parts are melt and it's getting more heat. Therefore, I removed the light and checked the power consumption of the light. In order to check the power consumption, I gave 14.1 volts through a multimeter by changing selection switch of the multimeter to the ampere checking mode. Then I realized 4 bulbs are consumed around 1.4 amperes. Its cost is too high. Because is a 3% of my car battery capacity. Therefore, I decided to use bright LEDs by replacing filament bulbs. There are kinds of LEDs. But it is better to use bright LEDs. Since these LEDs are not working with 12 volts and also it must be capable of working with 14.1 volts as the battery charging time it takes such a voltage, I have to use current limiting resistors for each LEDs. First I checked with 470 ohm resistors. When I connected the 470 ohm resistors, LEDs were working well. I kept those around half an hour. But the problem was, the resistor heats too much. Due to that heat, there was a power wastage. Then I decided to change the resistor by increasing the resistor's value. This time I used 620 ohm resistors. It took not much heat. The LED's brightness are also good. When I check the power consumption, it is around 60 milliamperes. So, we can use this resistors as the current limiting resistor for my LEDs. I think conversion from filament lights to LEDs are more suitable to save the battery current of your car. But I do not recommend to replace factory headlight to LEDs if the factory headlights are filament bulbs. However, you can replace filaments bulbs used for parking lights, signal lights, braking lights and also reverse lights with LEDs. I hope this video will help you to increase the battery life of your vehicle. If you think this is important, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Be innovative and stay with SetNFix.